Okay, let's make everything simple. Simply come to the workshop and, just cut the railings at the entrance of this workshop. I'm so thankful what they allowed me to do this because it's not what you usually can do anywhere in a shop, just to cut the railings. See, they actually helping me. Yeah, I will just leave a link for them in the comments. So yeah, and after just simply pack everything, grab your wheel, and just keep going. Simply like that. Simply just ride with the railings in the SkyTrain. Simply disassemble old panels. Simply clean the roof. And simply put more holes into your roof. Simply install new railings. And simply install everything.
It's getting darker. We are still trying to install everything. Let's all give in the comments the name of this boat yoga pose, please. I have no idea how to call it.
Okay. 1 kilowatt, 36 watts. 1 second before it was 1 kilowatt, 400 watts, but damn, this is a pretty dope result. And as simply as that, we have our solar panels installed on our roof. But that's not the end, but it's the end for today's video. So don't forget to put a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel. And see you in the next one.